Hi everybody, Louis here. I was just contemplating going a little deeper into the South Korea Tiger coins. Now, as you know, I've done a couple of videos and unboxed this beautiful silver tiger, and I have more of these on the way. I have a sealed tube on the way. If you don't know, this is from the South Korean Mint from Komsco. And I believe the mintage on the Tigers is 30,000. Yeah, 30,000 mintage on the Silver Tigers, which I am all over that because I loved the quality and the images. Of course, it's the third year of the Tiger coin. The first year um, in silver, but there were two prior years in gold, and that's what I'm looking at right now, and I want to get your opinion. And if you haven't seen this, the gold pieces are out at Apmex. Now they're on pre-order at some other sites, but the only place I could find the quarter ounce gold tiger for 2018 was on Apmex. They had five the other day, now they have three, and I was considering buying it, but have not bought it yet, and I imagine some of you will buy it after this video. But what do you think about the Gold Tiger series? Now, as I said, they released the quarter ounce Gold Tigers. Now, that's the size that I favor the most because it is more affordable and more collectible. Not more collectible, it is more easily acquired by people on a budget. It's probably the most per ounce that you will pay, but I think it has the best collector value. And in fact, if you go back to 2016 and 2017, the quarter ounce coins are pretty hard to find, especially in the $300 range. So I almost picked up one of these yesterday, but then I thought I'd do this video and see what you think. So the deal with the quarter ounce gold tigers is they have a limited mintage of 4,036. So only 4,000 of these little tigers. And the half ounce is also a mintage of about 4,000. I could not find a mintage on the 1 ounce tigers, but let me show you the full range of gold tigers, which are here. And I believe after these sell out, they could be delayed shipment, and they could be higher at a later point in time. But if we type in Korea Gold Tiger, you'll see the various offerings. So here is the 1 ounce for 1,452. So, you know, a little over spot, but a good deal, except I don't see a limited mintage. I see no limit on the mintage of the 1 ounce, which for me would mean stay away. So I don't like that one, although others may to add to their silver collection. Here's the quarter ounce, which I just showed you at 379. So that is about 1,300. Let's see, 3 times 4 is 1,200. 3 times 80, 240. That's about 1,440 an ounce. And here is 713 for the half ounce. That's about 1,426 an ounce. Respectable purchase prices for such a beautiful coin with a limited mintage of 4,000. So when the mintage is limited at the same number, I usually go for the smaller of the two coins. So that's what I am debating at the moment, is purchasing one of the quarter ounce gold tigers. And I do think there's going to be a solid $50 profit by pulling the trigger on this early. But I haven't done so yet, and if somebody wants these more than I do, there are three of them available. So what do you think of the South Korean Gold Tiger, third year in the gold series? And I believe that is the same image as the silver. Let's just double check that. Yeah, identical image. The silver was beautiful. I expect the gold would be beautiful as well. Are you a buyer of one of these at $379? All right, that is not a bad investment. Comes in a nice box. We have learned that the obverse, well, no, I guess it's not the obverse, is it? I think they're calling the Tiger the obverse. but the recurring side is both the Korean alphabet in the shape of the Korean peninsula. So I don't know. What do you think of the gold tiger? I think some of you have the first 2 years and will definitely want this in the quarter ounce size. What about the rest of you? Is it worth speculating? Post your comments below and let me know. And again, if you do want one of these three, they're over at Apmex. I've been waiting for them to pop up at a cheaper dealer like Gainesville or Talisman or somewhere, but they have not popped up. So I think this is probably a pretty decent deal if you want to get this coin first. All right, I look forward to reading your comments. As always, thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe and hit the bell. Take care, everybody.